the water's temperature just right.
Uh-huh. When the temperature goes down into the blue area, that means the water is too cold.
When it goes up into the red area, it means the water is too hot.
But when the temperature goes into the green area, that means the water is just right. Uh-oh, the temperature is down in the blue area. Is the water too hot or too cold? Ooh, too cold.
To warm it up, do we add cold water or hot water? Hot water, that's right!
Let's try it and see.
When the temperature goes into the green area, say, just right.
Just right! Look, we did it! The temperature is just right! Oh, boy, boy, boy!
Say, let's see if taking a bath got rid of anyone's hiccups. Donald still has the hiccups. And Goofy still has the hiccups. Hey, Pluto's hiccups went away.
Yay!
Good job, everybody.
Let me see that book.
Let's see. The book says you can also get rid of hiccups by doing 15 loop-de-loops in an airplane.
Loopy-loops.
You guys can take the Toon Plane. Come on. You know how to fly, right, Goofy?
Why, sure. It's as easy as 1, 2, 5.
Oh, brother.
Gosh, Mickey, look! The tail feathers are missing on the Toon Plane.
Actually, they fell off.
Now we'll never get rid of your hiccups.
Sure we will. I betcha a Mouse-Tool can help us. Everybody say, oh, toodles!
Oh, toodles!
Can a glue stick help us put the tail feathers back on the plane? You betcha! We picked all the Mouse-Tools. Say, super chairs! Count the feathers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hot dog! We fixed it! Good counting! All aboard!
Yeah, let's fly! Fasten your seatbelts!
Here come the loop-de-loops! Count backwards from 15 with me! 15! 14! 13! 12! 11! 10! 9! 8! 7! 6! 5! 4! 3! 2! 1! Wow! 15 loop-de-loops! Good backward counting! Come on, let's go see if their hiccups are gone! Shh! Hear any hiccups?
Well, what do you know? I don't have the hiccups anymore.
Let's listen to see if Donald got rid of his hiccups, too.
I think I did.
Sorry, Donald. Sounds like you still have the hiccups.
No, what am I gonna do?
Let's give a big round of applause to Chip and Dale. Up next on my show, the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Singers. Now where could they be? Mickey, where are you?
I guess we won't be singing on Clarabelle's TV show after all.
Oh, yes, we will. Furry. Furry. Nuts.
Donald, are you okay?
You guys just go on without me.
Oh, poor Donald. What are we going to do?
Hey, let's use the pineapple hiccup cure.
Pineapple hiccup cure?
Did he say pineapple? What?
I know. We can look up pineapple in the hiccup book.
Great idea!
Pineapple. It says here, instead of saying pineapple, you have to eat a pineapple.
Oh! Now can I get a pineapple?
Well, I have a pineapple right here under my hat.
A pineapple!
At your service.
Let me have it! Yum, 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 yum.
Oh,
Shh. Hear any hiccups?
I
don't hear anything.
Hey, my hiccups are gone! We did it! Oh, boy!
Now, where could those Mickey Mouse Clubhouse singers be?
Oh, we better get to the studio, and fast. Come on!
Well, I guess that's it for today's show. I don't know what in heavens happened to Mickey and friends.
Here we are, Clarabelle.
We're coming!
Oh, how wonderful! I knew you'd come through. Boys and girls, it is my pleasure to introduce the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Singers.
Who's the leader of the club that's made for you and me? M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
Mickey Mouse!
Shadow Jack!
Mickey Mouse!
Shadow Jack! Forever let us hold our banner high! Come along and sing the song and join the jamboree!
Gee, thanks for helping us get rid of our hiccups. Now, up on your feet, everybody. It's time to do the Mouse Cadets.
Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got ears, it's time for cheers. Hot dog, no problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
We had such a great time finding ways to get rid of our hiccups. What mouse tool did Daisy use to do her hiccup polka?
Tap dancing shoes.
What do we use to measure the temperature of the water?
A toy thermometer.
And we stuck the tail feathers on the tune plane with...
Oh, I know, a glue stick.
And with your help, we got to sing on the Clarabelle Show. What a hot dog day!
Hot dog, diggity dog. It's a brand new day, what you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stop on the floor. Hot dog, diggity dog. Hot diggity dog. We're splitting the scene, we're full of beans. So long for now from Mickey Mouse. That's and the Mickey Mouse Club.
See you real soon.